Hello everyone. In today's modern homes, especially in cities, the space is becoming is more limited, but does not the means we compromise on comfort and style. It's absolutely not. That's where folding dining tables has come into the pictures. They're the smart, stylish, and space saving solution for today's lifestyles. So, importance of folding dining tables and their amazing advantages and benefits and different types of is available, and of course the price range in India. So the first we know what is folding dining table. A folding dining table is compact furniture piece that can be folded when it's not used and expanded when we need it. It's simply designed for small homes, apartments, studio flats, or multi-purpose rooms. It helps you save the space without compromising on the functionality. So the importance of folding dining tables. The folding dining tables are becoming so popular because it's a space saving solution. In urban homes, every inch is mattered. The folding tables can be folded against the wall, stored easily, and used only when we just required. These are perfect for 1 BHK and 2 BHK homes. And another one factor is the multi-purpose use. A folding dining table is not just for dining. You can use it in work from home desk and study table, kitchen preparation area. This makes it multi-purpose investment and modern lifestyle fit. And today's lifestyle demands the flexibility and folding tables. This adapt to your needs, offer and convenience and support minimalistic living. And these are ideal for work, great for daily use of two or four people's, expanding when guest arrives. So advantages of folding dining tables. These are easy to use. That means simply folding mechanism make it user friendly and portable and lightweight. You can move it easily anywhere in your house. Stylish designs is available. Modern folding tables comes in wooden finishes, wall mounted styles and convertible designs and budget friendly option. This available in various price ranges suitable for all budgets and clutter free living room and help to maintain clean and organized home. So benefits of homeowners for these wall mounted. This maximize the small space, reduce the furniture clutter, enhance the interior aesthetic, and provide flexibility in uses reflect for rental homes. So the types of folding dining tables are the wall mounted folding table. It's attached on the wall, can be folded down when it's not used. And drop leaf table, its side panels can be folded, expandable design. Expandable folding table, it's adjustable sizes and ideal for the guest. Portable folding tables, these are lightweight, can be stored anywhere. The price range in India, basic folding table starting at 2000 rupees to going up to the 5000 rupees. Mid-range wooden tables starting at 5000 rupees to going up to the 10,000 rupees. Premium designer tables starting at 10,000 rupees to going up to the 20,000 rupees. The price depends on material like engineered wood,